Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Voice Activated Recorder.
Number 5.
Evestor 16GB Digital Voice Recorder. Voice Activated Recorder. Upgraded recording quality. New design digital voice recorder. Dynamic noise cancellation microphone. Voice recorder Mac compatible. When compatible, this mini recorder device can set recording. Simple and powerful recording device. Easy to figure out. Press rec. Starts to record. Press stop. Voice activated recorder. Set the AVR voice activated function. Record only when teacher is speaking. Easy file management. Recordings with timestamp. Easy to find out when you recorded.
Number 4.
Sony IC-PX370 Mono Digital Voice Recorder. Record MP3 audio quickly and easily.
Allons manger. La laisser à la Méditerranée.
Up to 57 hours of battery life for extended recording. MP3 128 kilobit per second stereo.
La laisser à la Méditerranée.
Built-in, direct USB connection for quick file transfer to your PC.
Échappons-nous vers l'horizon.
In the box, IC recorder, size alkaline batteries, 2, operating instructions, warranty card. Record MP3 audio quickly and easily.
Number 3.
Digital voice activated recorder by Dictopro. High quality aluminum body with a beautiful color LCD display. Feels strong and sturdy, while being light and small. Conveniently fits in any palm, pocket or a purse for easy access and portability. Two ultra-sensitive microphones with dynamic noise reduction. Now you can enjoy. Crystal clear recordings even while you're up to 40 feet away, or to record quiet, discreet conversations. Voice activated recording means you don't have to click the record button every time to begin recording.
Number 2.
Evestor 16GB Digital Voice Recorder Line-in. Voice recorder stereo and clear, inside 16GB memory, directly to use, double enhanced dynamic noise cancelling. Voice recorder easy to use, Evestor one button to record technology, upgraded design for just press rec. Record more than 16GB. Built-in 16GB digital voice recorder with South Dakota card slot. Do not include TF card. Voice activated recorder with playback. Turn on AVR mode. Get clear audio when it is talking. Function on. This vlog camera also supports max 128GB South Dakota card and tripod.
Number 1.
Skivine 001 8GB USB dictaphone. Colorful screen. Our digital voice recorder used the colorful screen, which is much better than the other's black and white screen. Metal material. The digital recorder uses metal material and it has smooth surface. It's very handy to use and looks very high-end voice recorder. small and portable. It's in very compact size, can fit in your palm, and it's very easy to carry around in a pocket. Multifunction, it's voice-activated recorder, MP3 player and USB flash driver as well. 8 GB built-in memory, can store 100 hours recording files. What you get: white box, 8 GB USB digital audio recorder, mini USB cable, user manual, worry-free 1-year warranty and